how I use the ShadowMoon Shadow Shield.
A reusable shadow shield.
It has been a lifesaver.
The worst thing that you can get is once you do your makeup,
A lot of the shadow falls underneath your eye.
And it is designed to protect your face.
To block out fallout.
You can use it as an eye cooler. It helps depuff your eyes.
put whatever your favorite eyeshadow is,
Just line this up with your bottom lash line.
Right under my eye like this.
and then you apply it.
Smudge it across my lash line and kind of flick it out. I could be pretty messy with this.
You can see that the makeup is all
On the shadow shield rather than under your eyes.
Literally just created such a nice sharp
Precise edge.
boom.
There's so much makeup residue. Look at all that.
You can see all this.
What would all get on my face?
when you're done.
Just wash it and reuse for all your makeup applications.
The ShadowMoon has worked wonders.
An incredible product.
Really a must for anybody who just likes to experiment with makeup, or if you're a pro,